Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. And today, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I am getting ready for my first date. What? Me? Never been on a date before? Yeah. So I've been on a date before, like to the movies or nothing, but this is fancy, like dress, heels, makeup, hair, fancy dinner, big checks. Anyways, that's besides the point because I'm actually on the time crunch. I need to get ready in like an hour. So the first step of this get ready with me child is to brush your teeth. So a lot of people don't really think about this. Like, you forget when you're getting ready, when you're doing your makeup, you're not supposed to brush your teeth after because you're gonna get all the water and toothpaste all on your mouth if you brush your teeth right. So I'm going to be using my Crest 3D White, the charcoal toothpaste. I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick to get you brush fresh, so you can't have your brush stinking on a date. No man, we don't want none of that. And when you brush your teeth, don't forget to get your tongue, please. Next step, I'm gonna go ahead and get into my makeup. I usually like to put a headband on or a scarf, but I keep my edges out so that way I can really get my makeup right along the edges so you don't have that line. I hate when people do their makeup and they scarf or whatever be like right there so you have that harsh line. Nah, then you gotta do extra work at the end. So have the scarf back. I'm gonna go in with my primer. Put that in, but you don't need a dry, you just, you know, you need to get it in there. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this from Eben, New York. It's one of these little things. I never can remember what they're called, but I just use it. It looks like this. It has like the where's the, yeah. It has a little pasty on the inside, and as you can tell, I've already used a lot of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into these brows. And when I do my brows, a lot of people always ask me like, how? And all I do is I draw a line like that on the bottom, and I draw another line on top. And it's okay to be a little messy with it, with the brows, because we are going to go in with the concealer and really shape it. And it's a little too hard to do this on camera, not even gonna lie to y'all. So I'm about to put the brows on and then come back. Boom. Here are my eyebrows. They look like two unproportionate lost equal signs, parentheses, whatever. But that's okay because we can fix that. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to do this. And when I do my concealer, ladies and gentlemen, I put it on my hand first, like that. And then I actually get in it, and then I go like at the bottom. And then as I get closer to the top, that's when I get in there and draw my line like so, but can't do it on camera. So be back with that in a few seconds, like 3, 2, 1. And then one more thing I did forget, but I also take one of these eyebrow brush pencil things, and then I go in just like that, just so it won't be as harsh like at the start of the brow. And as you can see, this one already got a little shapey shape, and I didn't even blend yet. Period poo. Look at the brow. And it looked real serious and dramatic because 1, don't have any lashes on, 2, don't have any eye stuff on, 3, haven't even blended, but it's okay. Trust the process. If you seen my video with Tootie, when she did my makeup, the thing that she always said, which was very true, was trust the process. Even though her process was a little different than mine, if you ain't seen the video, go ahead and check out the, video after you finish with this one. But trust the process. Okay, boom. We have the eyebrows concealed. Now we just gotta blend. We looking a little dark and scary right now, but soon you're gonna be looking good. You don't really want to touch the brow. You just want to blend in the concealer, except up here in the front. You just want to hit that a couple times so it can look a little blend in, just a little bit. And we are starting to look, we are starting to look a little put together. Period. Okay, next. I'm gonna wipe this off my hand because I'm gonna make a mess. My dress tonight is like, I haven't decided which one I'm gonna wear yet. It's either gonna be black or brown. So, since brown is already like a neutral color, I'm just gonna do like a dewy brown look. But I'm also gonna do a cut crease. And I have not done a cut crease in a long time, so hopefully this bad boy turns out good. I am going to use my Nubian palette, Nubian Coral palette from Julia's Place, because it's so pretty. It has all these browns and pinks. And then I also have this other palette that's my aunt doll baby got for me, and it has a lot of neutral colors in it as well. So the first step is we want to get a kind of darker brownish color to go in the crease. This is what we have to work with, and it sucks. So you know what we gotta do? Take it off and try it again. I can't believe it. It looks like I literally got punched in my eye. Oh my god. Now my contact just fell off. Oh. Now I have to work even faster. Okay, so concealer. And then we're going for a more basic look, you know. Since I just can't get myself together. Alright. Begging business. So okay, so now I gotta speed it up. We're going to do the same thing basically, but we're just going to take it down. We're not doing a cut crease anymore because, you know, bump that. I'm going to be doing a dewy look, so that means I have to have my darkest shades closest to my eyes. So I'm not gonna go as high with this first little piece right here, because we're gonna keep it nice, low, and dewy, okay? Real dewy. It's gonna look like I got a black eye for a little bit, but that's okay. Now we're gonna go in with my lightest shade and hit that top area, just like that. It's crazy because I've literally killed so many cut creases before, but I haven't done one in a while, so maybe that's why my cut crease was just like trash. Now I'm gonna go in my darkest shade. I'm super scared. I'm gonna go in my darkest shade in this little palette here, and I'm gonna go right to the bottom with it. And we don't have any harsh lines or anything except right there, but that's gonna be fixed with the concealer. And I do wanna lighten it up just a little bit because I do like a lighter eye, so I'm just gonna go in with this, I like this kind of peachy-ish glitter. And I've got glitter all in my eye now, but I'm trying to keep my composure for the freaking camera. Looking okay, or not looking terrible. So, now it's time to apply some lashes. I am not going to do any eyeliner. I got these lashes from a friend. They were fresh new out the pack. So let me see if I actually like this, because this looks a little thick for me, and I don't really like a thick lash. Ooh, looking like Dark Vader. I mean, I'm definitely getting darker right now. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, I think I can do that. I think I can. So I'm just going to take my glue it along here, and apply it, and I will be back. Okay, so Right now I feel like I'm giving the girls very much dark and scary. These lashes are super dark for my eyes, and as you can see, it's still a little bit of glue on top, but I use the white I use the white clear drying lash glue, so that will dry while I am working on my face. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Cool. Okay, now your girls definitely got to change another color. That's okay. I'm gonna put some of that on my hand, and then I also got a newer shade. Oh, I got some on my finger. Okay, so I got a newer shade that's closer to my skin tone, but I don't have the correct, I should say, concealer and contour to match. So I'm just gonna mix a little bit in with my old shade. So crazy, because like, look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this whole face together. I feel like once I get to this point, everything is just so much faster, because like, not really doing much. It's the eyes and the brows for me. That's what takes the most out of my time. I'm going to take my concealer underneath my eyes, and y'all, I planned on putting my clip-ins in, having my hair down, and putting some press-on nails on and everything, but time literally just flies. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out. I think I'm gonna do like a cute bun, but I don't have time to do what I originally wanted to do, but that's okay. I can still do that next time. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out. Now you know it looks good in person if it looks good on the camera, so we're gonna hit under the eye. Okay, hit this other eye. That's done. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm using a flat brush, and as you can see, it's too much, so I'm just gonna hit it over my trash can like 2 times. Then I'm gonna hit here to get rid of the excess, and then I'm just gonna hit underneath my eye, hit that again, and go under this eye. So when I'm taking pictures or whatever, I don't have that like ghostly look going on. And now I'm gonna take my contour. All I use is a dark concealer, literally, that's it. And you do your cheeks like this, and right where you see a line forming, that's where you want to put your concealer or your contour, concealer contour. I'm gonna start in the middle, and I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm also going to hit up here, and then I'm just gonna do a little line like that. And that was probably too much. That's okay. So now I'm gonna blend it out. And then after that, we are pretty much done with our makeup. All we gotta do is put a little highlight on, and that's pretty much it. Okay. We're gonna put a little mascara. That way your lashes actually blend. And actually, I don't know the correct order for this, but I'm gonna put my blush on first. So I got some Maybelline Fit Me blush. Just gonna hit it just a little bit because I don't want to look too red like I'm just over here flabbergasted or nothing like that. And then highlights. Don't talk about me, I don't have a highlighter brush, but this is what I'll be using. Don't know where this palette came from. I think it came from a store at home called Gabe's, but it was like Gabe's. Gabe's is like Marshall or TJ Maxx, but it's just a little more unorganized and a little less appealing. But hey, see, this is how y'all get looking golden and juicy, girl. cheeks and blend it out. All right. Now we're done with that. I don't like putting lip gloss on until like the end. So there we go. Okay, so I literally have 2 seconds to get ready. Now just looked at the clock. So I'm just gonna do a bun for today, a messy bun. 2 little young stands out for a little curly action. Yeah, I think that's the look we're gonna go for tonight. So we're just gonna do the messy bun. I'm gonna spray some water on my hands. Put some gel in here like that. Yeah. And then we're gonna take this just like that. Boom. Now the only thing I need is edge control for my edges so it actually look like I have some edges. Then I'm gonna put my dress on, then we're gonna be ready to go. And I'm just going to hit these edges. You wanna be a bang or you wanna be an edge? Oh, that hurt. That was definitely the comb. The rest of my edges. Boom. There we go. Looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna go put my clothes on and then I will be right back. Okay, so I have my dress on, guys. This is the dress. It is just like a snake skin look, you know what I'm saying? It looks very good. Very good. They don't need to see too much down there. I have a nice gold necklace on from Aunt Louisa, if you didn't see that video before. But look, I'm starting to get a little frizzy up here, and I did not want it to be frizzy. So I might be taking a risk with this one, but I'm gonna put a little bit of edge control on it to hold it at the top. Not too much, but hopefully this wasn't a stupid move. Oh! Okay, hold on. Let's wrap it around the finger. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. One is longer than the other, but that's okay because nobody's perfect. Don't judge. Finally, for the final accent piece, I'm going to be adding some Dior perfume. It's a little baby perfume, but it's still Dior. Nah, but my roommate, Jalen, got this for me actually. She had like a big one and a small one, so she gave me the small one. So I ain't even going, no. I'm really appreciative. So it's really cute though. It has like a little bow on it and it smells good. And I feel like you can't go on a date or be looking this good without putting a little bit on. Put it on my wrist and that's that. So that is the look for tonight's date night. But that is it for the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy these next couple clips of how my nights went, and I will see you guys later on the Real J Doll's channel.